Yes, to all expatriates in the UAE, to be specific, it's Big Sister here for you. And I always look out for matters that concern us as expatriates to improve ourselves while here in the UAE, but also while working our best to improve our situation back home. So it's come to my notice that several of the businesses that are dealing in coffee business are actually frustrating many of us. Yes, they'll promise you a job, they'll encourage you to join them, work with them as a trial kind of stuff, and then all of a sudden you get to understand that they're not going to employ you after they've wasted your time. Now, I'm here to tell us, all of us as individuals, good enough, I'm talking to adults, I want to believe that you're very responsible. You know that you're very responsible for your own life, for your own visa situation, even more than that probable employer. This is my encouragement, that in such a situation when you're that stressed, that pushed to the wall, yeah, so much wanting for a job, I'm asking that still you remain responsible. Please be careful. Yeah, don't give in the rest of all your life, yeah, situation to somebody that you're not yet sure whether is going to give you a job. For example, you only have 2 weeks to go on your visa, and this individual that is promising you a job is asking you to work with them trial for 2 weeks. Definitely, in the 2 weeks, you're going to be absorbed in their cafe, and you're going to be looking for another job. And in the same time, your visa is running. Yeah. So I'm asking that we get to be serious. Please be very careful. It's no carrying any meaning for any employer to give you 2 weeks as trial. What is that? Actually, you're supposed to be paid in that time. If it is trial for anybody, it should be at least 3 days. So if you went for any interview, especially you that is a professional, I'm talking to professionals, ones that are having skills and yes, documents, like you've been given a job on merit, please don't be so much wanting to the level of just accepting such a situation to happen to you. If anybody is suggesting that they give you 2 weeks of trial, suggest to them, that is why you're a professional. Suggest that I can only work for at least 2 days, Baba, or 3 days, because in that time, my visa is running. Then they will know that indeed they're working with somebody that is able to stand on their own, that is vocal, that is able to, discuss with them matters. Other than you showing that you don't care if they suggested 2 weeks, you then say, it's okay with me, yet it's not okay. Many of our brothers and sisters are now in overstay because of these individuals that are very careless. Yeah, I'm asking that we get ourselves back on course. It's your life. It's your life, my brother, my sister. So don't allow anybody to push you to the wall. Don't allow anybody to take you into overstay when it's not your own issue. Yeah, ask them for 2 days, okay, 3 days for trial. And if they cannot do that, just know that those are the kind of people that are making people work for them and do not pay. After your time is elapsed, they'll get other people again, and the story will continue. Anyways, as big sister, I'm still big sister for them as well, and I'm always going to make sure that I reach this message to them. Please, cafe owners, probable employers, I ask that we be human. Like you came one time and you were wanting, and somebody helped you. Today you are an employer. I pray that you do very good for that individual that is come wanting a job. Please don't push them into overstay. They came from their home countries like you did. They are looking for money to support their families that you like you're doing as well. I ask that we be human. Let's not be dressed in human bodies, and yet we are wolves in the inside of us. It's Jex Barista Training Institute. Big Sister is here for you all, expatriates in the whole world. To be specific, UAE. Thank you.